Hello, Sanbonani. My name is CBO. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Today we are making a yummy garlic mashed potato. Let's begin. Wash and peel the potatoes, then chop them into quarters. Meanwhile we peel, I will leave a list of ingredients in the description box below. Place the potatoes into a bowl of water, then wash them. Boil the potatoes with hot water until they are soft. Once the potatoes are soft, drain all the water if any left. Then reduce the heat to low. Add cold butter and mash the potatoes. Add cream, then chili flakes, onion powder, black pepper and fresh parsley. I reduced the black pepper because it changes the color of the mash. Mix well. Add chopped garlic. Stir until it's blended. A warm welcome to the new viewers. Please subscribe and press the notification bell to be notified of new posts. I'm glad you came. Add the cream to the consistency of your choice. Then add salt and stir. Please kindly press the like button and leave a comment below. Let me know your thoughts about this recipe. I hope you will enjoy this potato mash. Thank you so much for your time. See you soon. Bye-bye.